G'day. What's charisma? Do you know? Do you understand it? And do you have it? I don't know whether I have it or not. I think charisma is something that you're kind of blessed with rather than something that you learn. But my experience as a YouTuber is that the people who make the most success are people who have that. People who have the charisma, the X factor, if you like. And today I want to talk to you about one Australian YouTuber in particular who I feel is just oozing charisma. He's a guy that is relatively new to YouTube. He's a droner. He's from Western Australia and his name is iSpike. His YouTube name is iSpike anyway. I have come to know this guy a little bit over the last couple of months, and he just seems to ooze charisma. In other words, he's just a effervescent kind of fella. He wears his heart on his sleeve. He tells it like it is, and he is respectful of others, and just likes to have fun and bring joy to other people that share his channel. Spike, mate, thank you very much for bringing us all the joy that you have so far, and I hope your channel grows huge. I really do. What I've done today is for you, Spike, and the rest of you who are watching this, I hope that you enjoy what I've made for Spike in honor of Mr. Charisma, I'm calling him. I've made a model of Spike, and I'm actually going to send it to him when I finish making it. You know, if you know iSpike, you'll also know that he rides a trike, a red trike. And this model is you, Spike, on a trike. Let's check it out. We're almost there, Spike. If you're not sure what this is your jet-powered pack. This is your new trike, is jet-powered. There's a jet on the back of it. And there it is. Just about made. Except for one thing. Where's your head, buddy? Let's check this out. This is iSpike. There he is. Beard, glasses, black beanie. That's you, brother. And here we go. Let's add the head and complete the model. Stick some glue under there. And the final step goes on. And there, whoops, we will drop your beard under there, under the, whoops, get that going under there. And there you are, my friend. There you are. I hope you enjoyed this bit of silliness, brah. This is your jet-powered trike. Oh dear. I hope you enjoy it, my friend. Well, there you go, old mate. I hope you enjoy that. And I'll get in touch with you to get an address where I can send that to you. Just a bit of fun. I like that papercraft hobby. It's something that I can do when I'm sitting in my quiet moments, and I can make all sorts of things. There are patterns all over the internet that you can copy, download, and cut out and glue together and create the most interesting models. And as you've seen from mine, you can actually change the patterns around a bit and make them a bit more personalized like I've done for Spike. Alright guys, thanks very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to iSpike, go do it now. And of course, my channel would love your support also. You guys have a fantastic day. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.